Hi, I am Emperor Pyraminx. I have long wanted to make a tutorial video showing how I built my puzzles from 3D printed parts that I used to order at Shapeways, and probably it is now a little bit too late because some days ago Shapeways announced new pricing that will increase prices for all multi-part models to which all twisty puzzles belong, and I'm not so sure that people would still buy and build puzzles from Shapeways 3D printed parts. But well, there have been some discussions about making sprues between parts or external cage that may let treat the multi-part models like a single part and decrease the price a little. But anyway, should we use one of these methods, or should we even switch to other 3D printing service that prints models from the same nylon powder? My technology of building a puzzle will still be the same, so here's my tutorial. As an example, I'm going to take Emperor Pyraminx. This model consists of about 150 parts. It would be nice if we could just take parts out of a 3D printer and directly assemble a puzzle, but unfortunately the fresh unworked parts are very rough and too big friction does not let them slide along each other. So the parts have to be grinded. For simple puzzles it is possible directly in the assembly. You assemble a puzzle and carefully turn it in all possible directions. As you turn it, the parts get grinded and it turns more and more easily. But for big multi-layer puzzles like this method will not work. If you assemble it directly, you'll just not be able to make a single turn because of the friction. My method is to polish all parts before you start assembling. For polishing, I use a Dremel tool with a metal brush. On the lowest speed, I take each part and polish every surface. You do not have to apply the tool for a long time, you just need to touch it. So let's see how it will work after polishing. So you see now the parts are sliding very easily. And about polishing of the outer surfaces where the stickers should be applied, the stickers will adhere much better if this surface is polished. And with the same method you have to polish each and every part. I will not show you how I polish all the parts, but you get the idea. Another problem that you may encounter is the rest powder. It is strongly recommended to get rid of all the rest powder, else it will constantly get out of the puzzle. Even if after you have assembled it, you will turn the puzzle and this powder will spoil everything. So to remove the powder, I just use some pen and hit the pieces from all sides. With this print I was lucky not to have much powder inside, but sometimes the amount of rest powder is really big. So after you polished all the parts and removed all the powder, you can proceed to initial assembly.